Yo, what is going on, you guys? We're back with another video, and today in this video we're in the garage. We're with the Mini. Got some cool parts in a box we're gonna install today, and it's been a while since I've made a video on the Mini. Doesn't mean we're not working on it. Just a lot of behind the scenes stuff going down, stuff that's difficult to film because I don't know if you guys know, getting parts for a 50-year-old car isn't the easiest thing. And I will get parts, I'll be halfway into making a video, and the part won't fit properly. And then I'm sitting on footage, I'm waiting another month for parts, and it's just a disaster. And then I end up not recording it, right? So, got a lot of progress done on the car. One of the major things I'm waiting for right now is body shop. Gonna be getting the car fully done up, painted. Now it's just putting parts, wiring stuff on, test fitting stuff, making sure everything works. Car runs, it drives. Had a very wholesome moment with my father. He drove the car for the first time in a while. Look at the back, got the bumper test fit, got the headlights ready to go. A lot of stuff is going down on this car. This is gonna be a quick little update video. And then I'm gonna get into installing what is in this box. So let's open this up. Look at that, beautiful, brand new indicators to go on the front. So a lot of the parts that I'm installing on the car now, I'm installing, making sure they fit properly, and then I'm taking them back off, putting them into boxes, packaging them, because I obviously can't have parts on the car when it gets painted. So I'm just making sure all the new parts fit on, everything's good, and then I'm taking them back off, right? Some things obviously, like the fuel pump, that stays in. That's stuff we did. Steering wheel, go check that video out. All that stuff's good. A lot of little small things going down that I'm doing behind the scenes. Let's pop the hood. Just like that. Boom. Radiator installed, found a used one. A lot of different cooling components going on. I rebuilt the carburetor, new filter on there, fuel pressure gauge, everything's good, everything's mint, car runs. Now it's just buttoning up a lot of small stuff, and it's the small stuff that matters. It's what brings the project to life. So without further ado, let's get into this install, and yeah. So I'll pull the grill off quickly. Now I can show you guys what we got going on. So I reloomed the headlight and indicator signal harness. All nice, all reloomed, all nice, all with new pigtails everywhere. Did it proper. No hack job over here. You already know how we do it. And now I match the colors as best as possible. So we have black, red, and green, and then for the pigtail, black, red, and yellow, which is green. Now we have the new indicator with the brand new housing, that there, and we have the red, black, and green. I really packaged this well. If I told you how much these things cost, you'd laugh at me. Okay, perfect. So, technically, I checked my wiring with the test light when I did all the wiring off camera. So it should be good. So it should be a matter of just, I'm gonna test it first. I'm gonna splice the wires together by hand, and then test, go inside, turn the car in the on position, try the turn signals, try the parking lights, see if everything works, and then I know I'm mint. So let's get into it. So I just have the wires spliced up by hand temporarily. I'm gonna put the car in the on position and see if the bulb works and everything's good. Oh, so that's the parking light. It works. Okay, now we know that it works. We gotta figure out the turn signals because these are dual filament bulbs. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Alright guys, a little bit of messing around, testing with the test light and doing a little bit of research. I should have known if I don't have any of the, like if I only have this one hooked up and not the other side, turn signal might not work on some cars, right? The circuit can't be completed, so it won't turn on the flasher. So I turned on the hazards and you'll see. Turn signal works, and then it's on and the turn signal works. So this means all three of our wires are working. You'll see we have 12 volts on the red, we have our ground, and then we have on and off on yellow/green. Mint. Now we can splice them together, test fit them on, and yeah. So I'm gonna take the lens apart just to see how they fit. They should fit. Comes with a nice gasket. Everything's mint. Feed these wires through here. We're gonna have to cut these down. Feed these through here. Just like that. Oh, that looks pretty good. And I have another set of lenses that are OEM Austin lenses. They're a little bit different. The pattern's different. Me and my dad are gonna see which ones look better, and obviously which ones he likes better, and then we'll stick with those. So yeah, but they look awesome. They look crazy. The fit is perfect. All right, guys, we'll start wiring. So all we're doing is splicing and cutting. So this, I'm gonna tuck up into here. This is gonna go like this. So cut this. Get yourself a nice kit like this. You can join the wires nice and easily. Love using this stuff. And then for extra safety, I put on top, I put another thing of shrink tube. Yeah, this stuff's amazing. So easy to work with. And it makes your builds clean. Nobody wants to work on a car that's all messy, electrical tape everywhere. Make it nice and clean. Crimp your wires together nicely. Trust me, it shows. Just like that. That's a solid one. That's one down. Stuff takes time, but it looks great, man. Boom. Just like that. Just like that. Let's go, man. Easy peasy, man. Mint. So mint. Now, we plug it in. Just like that. Run the wire through there. Boom. Let it hang like that. We're gonna double check everything. Make sure it's mint. Oh, that looks beautiful. This is mint. Okay, let's do the other one. Other side, done. I'm gonna plug them both in and see how they look. Ho ho! That looks pretty sick. Hazards are working good. It's blinking at a weird pace because I'm missing a bulb at the back, but this is just mock-up. Wow, this is cool. This is cool. I have different lenses coming in the mail, so it's gonna be a different tint because right now they look orange. The other ones are gonna be more of a yellowy orange, if that makes any sense. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I put the grill back on just to see how it looks, all that. Looks so good. Slowly seeing this car come back to life. You know, it's heartwarming. A lot more mini videos to come. Got a lot of parts coming in, a lot of stuff. This was a successful video. Yeah. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm gonna quickly take them off, put them back in the packaging, but they're all wired up nicely. So now it's just a matter of packaging them up, and then after the car's painted, I can put all this stuff back together. And but it's already done, right? So yeah. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something in this video, also enjoyed this video. And God bless. See you in the next one.